Hey guys, and we're back for another episode of making our antivirus. This week I've decided to do something slightly different due to the complexity of adding predetermined or predefined scans. I've gone ahead and done it for you, and we're just going to walk through it. So we've only got one more thing left to do, which is declare the unit in our scan engine. Like so, and we just need to copy over our full scan, and then we're going to go through and I am going to walk you through it. So it's quite simple. You just and it's done. A lot of the reporting is done on this side, so it doesn't matter. You can just add the function in. Now, why not add the function in here? Because the page would become massive. There's a lot of other things that need to be in there, and I like things in little folders. Right, so starting from the top, we've got our scan function. It does say quick scan, it should say full scan. So we walk through our gathering data section, and this is where it differs considerably from what we have done so far. So we are currently listing for our full scan all of the fixed hard drives in the machine, and any removable drives that are attached during the time that you kick the scan off. As you can see, I've left the commented out section of all of the other drives. Some of them will be added later, some of them won't be added at all. It depends. So moving down, we set our total count to 0, and then we start a loop. The object underscore list is actually a list. So you have to do a loop for each one, for each entry. We check all files, all subdirectories. After we've finished that, this will take probably about maybe 5 or 6 minutes for your computer to do. Although my computer's quite old, so it might take less time. We then send our scanning message, and then we go through another loop of scanning folders via each string that we have in our list. So multiple drives, so it will be C, D, E, whatever other drives you might have that are fixed. And then it will go through the removable drive, so F, H, I don't know why, G, I think is a common removable drive number. And it will do all of the subdirectories. I'm unsure exactly what will happen. It'll probably cause it crash handle if you remove the drive halfway through. Or it will get flagged as unable to open file, and it will just pretty much skip them all. And then we come back down and we do our create report, and then we let go of our report. Then we let go of our list. So as you can see by the comment, process scanning will have to be added there at some point. Quick scan is going to be a whole nother can of worms, because you have to identify the user's subdirectory and then particular folders in the subdirectory. So we would scan the system files, then the user profiles download folder, then the user profiles application data folder, and then certain predefined file paths if they exist. So I don't know how much you guys know about malware and how much you know about detection, but certain pieces of malware have default install paths, which turn out to be in the user's My Documents folder, or the user's My Videos folder, or My Music folder. And adding certain predefined paths to check if they exist, and then scanning that file, is part of the quick scan process, and therefore it will speed things up, and quick scan misses quite a few files out, but we'll have to do that. I'll have to do that between now and next week, and then we'll walk you through it again. So guys, that is pretty much it. It's a very short episode this week, about 6 minutes. So guys, if you've enjoyed it, you know where the thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see next, then please put them in the comment section. And until next time, guys. Hey guys, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button in the middle. It will really make my day. Here are 2 videos that you might enjoy. Last week's antivirus video if you missed it, and how to get Delphi for free.